start body tapping. Start body tapping. Both arms. Okay. This. Okay. Let's start the class. Left leg forward. Hands up. Mata. Pita. Guru. Deva. Just a few times. More. So, what we're going to do first? Sorry, just mute. Some sound. Yeah. One, three, four. Okay. So two hands are going in front together. Then only the back hand goes towards the back of the body. Okay. The other arm is stationary. Yeah. Only make sure your back is straight. Okay. Don't bend your back. Yeah. Continue. Let me see. Yes. Yeah. Sachin, try and make your backhand go more up. Okay. More take it go more up. Yeah. Without compromising on your posture. Your posture should be straight. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Good, Saridavi. Pranati, I'm not able to see. I guess your video is stuck. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. So it's like this. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to twist our entire body. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So basically, my feet are also pointing this direction. My feet, both feet, are now pointing this direction. Okay. Then I go this direction, my feet point this direction. Yes. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 7, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 8, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Keep breathing out, guys. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 8, 9, 100. Very good, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay. Now what one change we're gonna do in this? We're gonna do only 54 reps of that. Okay? Just see what I'm doing. One complete arm circle. Come there. Complete arm circle. Okay? So initially we were just doing this. Now we're gonna go for a complete arm circle. Come back, complete arm circle. Come back, complete arm circle. Okay? So the entire shoulder is getting that rotation. Okay, try. Yes. Okay, good, Sarita ji. You got it. Yeah, Pranati. Okay, again your video is getting stuck. Yeah, Sachin, don't do this. Don't be rigid like this. Okay, be in a flow. Okay, be in a flow. Be in a flow. Yeah, let it flow. Don't be rigid. Don't make create stress while sweating. Okay, be in a flow. Yes, good. Yeah, yes, 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 perfect. Yes, very good. It should feel like a dance. Okay, it should feel like a dance. Yes. Okay, great. Let's continue. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and relax, relax. Yes, relax. Okay, let's go to the runs. Come on your yoga mat. Come on your yoga mat. Let's do some that. Okay, flow workouts. Just make some space around where you are practicing. Come in this position first. Okay. So today we are going to do some sadhana dance, but we get into a quicker motion of it. Okay. So Sachin first, if it is possible, do. If not, you can do the sadhana dance only for now. Okay. So come in this position. Okay. One. This is a sadhana dance. Okay. Come back. Okay. Two. Come back. Three. Come back. Okay, let's just do this 12 rounds. Okay, let's just do 12 rounds. Then we'll do the actual thing. Four. Come. Five. Come. Six. Come. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Yeah. Continue. 11. 12. Okay, very good, Sachin. You're getting it. Yeah, relax. Relax, everyone relax. Yeah, Pranati, when you're going down, make don't allow your hips to fall down. Okay? Okay, perfect. Yeah. So now relax. Relax. Yeah, just relax. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Okay, come back. Come back. Come back. Yeah, come back to the neutral position. Again, we are going to do 12 sadhana dance. Okay. Starting position. Let's start. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so come complete your 12, then come and relax first. Complete your 12, then come and relax first. Sachin, don't keep the arms very wide, okay, in this.
Okay.
Okay, if you can just show me again. If you can show me again, let me see. Okay, okay, good, 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 good. Everyone, this. Yeah, let's just take a break. Okay, okay, come. Let's do the actual thing now. Okay, so the actual thing, and Sarita ji and Sachin, see if you're able to do this. Sarita ji, I'm
Okay.
telling you because of your knee. Okay, so we are somewhere in the middle of the mat. Okay, we are somewhere in the middle of the mat. So it's like this. Okay, so I am literally hopping in front, going in that move, and then again coming in the middle. Okay, so just try six reps. Okay, let's see how it goes. Yeah, both legs need to come together. Yeah, good, Pranti. Yes. Yes, Sarita, I'm not able to see. I guess the camera's pointed towards the ceiling. I'm not able to see the bottom part. Yeah, keep control. Keep control of the core. Don't let it fall on the mat. Yes, relax. Yeah, Pranati, Sachin, relax. Come back to relax. Okay. Okay, good, Sarita ji. Okay, good, good. You can also relax. Relax. Come back to relax. Come back to relax. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 12. Sorry, 10, 11, 12. Okay. We won't do the this part. Okay. Let's perfect the Sadharan done more. Okay. So let's do the Sadharan done again 12. Okay. Come to neutral. Come to neutral. Let's start. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Relax. 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 Come to relax first. Okay. Very good. I guess we nearly did 48. Or I guess 42. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Let's take a break from the break. Let's take a mudga. Let's get a mudga. The mudgas. Left leg forward. Okay, whoever wants to have water can have water now. Have water now. Sip of water. Left leg forward. Ta, ta, ru, dip. Four, over. Okay. Today, new move. So, today and Thursday, we'll do this new move because it's a bit complicated. Okay. So, see what you're doing. See what I'm doing now. Okay. Mudgar is in my right hand. I throw it out. I throw it out like this. I bring it back and I take it back. Okay. And then I throw it to the other hand. Same thing I do. Bring it back. Change. Same thing I do. Bring it back. Change. Again. Back. Change. Again. Back. Change. Again. Back. Change. Okay. So I'll show you from the side angle. So what I'm doing. It's like this. Close to my body. Taking back. Change. Close to my body. Taking back. Change. Okay. Yeah. Let me see what I do. Yeah. Yes, Sachin, you can try. No, no, that is Tol Sutra what you're doing. What we are doing is it's in my right hand now. I'm throwing it out. I'm throwing it out, again getting it back. Yes, again getting it now taking back.
The same shoulder you will rotate
No,
it.
no, this is Tol Sutra. This is Tol Sutra. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Ulta. I'm doing the ulta one. Yeah, try. Yeah, try. No, 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 no. You're doing again Tol Sutra. I'm saying ulta. See like this. I take it here. Okay. In the same motion, I do the ulta part. This is Tol Sutra. I'm doing this. Ulta.
Okay. Throwing it out.
Yeah. Yes. 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 That is it. That is it. What you're trying to do, that is it. Hmm.
Here, I'm going to drop it
Hmm.
back.
No, again you're doing Tol Sutra. In the momentum itself, you have to go for that. In the momentum itself, you have to go for that. Yes. Nah. 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 Again you went for Tol Sutra. Go for Ulta. Ulta. Okay, let me see what others are doing. So, yeah. Okay, now Pranati, your video's gone. I don't know. There's some issue. Sarita, you can keep your body straight. Don't need to twist your body. Keep your body straight. Yes. Hmm. Yes, you're getting it. Okay. Yes. Yeah, Pranati, you're doing the ulta part right, but the initial part is wrong. Okay, so it's like this. It's like this. I'm throwing it out, and then I'm doing the ulta, and then I'm changing. Again, I'm taking, then I'm changing. So let's do one thing. Okay, let's simplify this. Let's simplify this.
Like this, right? Like this. Here and
Yes,
this.
yes, yes, yes. Somewhat like this, but you're yes, somewhat like this, but you have to keep the mudra very close to your body. You have to keep it very close to your body. Okay, let's do it simple now. Let's do it simple now. Hold it here. Hold it here. Right hand. Okay, and just let it go like this. Yes, just let it go like this first. Okay. Yeah, let it go. Yeah, just let me see. Yes. Yeah. Just be careful. It shouldn't hit your head. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Good, Sarita ji. Yes. Yes. Then change. Change it. So do it like this. You did one swing like this. Change it like this. Then do the other swing like this. Change it again. Then back swing again. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Saurabh, if you have a smaller one, use that. Okay, smaller or lighter one than this, use that. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Sarita ji, good. Only thing is, yes, try to be smoother. Okay. If it is here, okay. Let's say if it came from left hand like this to right hand, okay, let it drop. Let it drop. Okay, let it drop. Yes. No, you're getting confused in the Tol Sutra and this rotation. Yes. Yes. Yeah, very good, Pranati. You got the swing. Yes, very good. You can continue. Yes. Hmm. Yeah. No, Sachin, no, you are gonna hit yourself. Don't do that. You're taking it like this, and you're doing like this. Don't do this. Okay. I'm saying, see, be very close to the body, like this. Take it like this, very close to the body. Okay. So there's a gap. There's a gap between my head and the mudra. Then I do the same thing here, like this. And I do the same thing here, like this. Okay. Make sure there's some gap. Otherwise, you'll hit your head. Okay. Yeah. Everyone continue. Okay. Yeah. Sarita ji, yes. Good. You're getting closer. Yes. Yeah. Ha ha. Ulta. 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 Yes, Sachin. Ulta. Okay. Okay. Let's practice. Let's practice. 108. Okay. Remember to breathe. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Sachin, be careful. Okay?
Yes.
If in case you're not getting this, use a bottle. Use something lighter. But you're taking it back. You have to keep it very close to your body. Yeah, very good, Pranati. And continue. Just remember to keep on breathing. Keep on do the breathing part. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. I hope you all guys are following the alignment practice. I hope everyone's feet is straight right below their shoulders. Okay? Remember the alignment part. 61, 62, 3, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 7, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Continue, continue. Let me see. 77, 78, 79. Okay. Others continue. Sarita ji, when you are catching the mudgar, right, from one hand to other, when you're catching, try to catch it like this, little tilted, little tilted outside. Okay, when you catch it like this, it will fall like that. Yes. Okay, so catch it like this, tilted. It will fall in the right way. Yeah, catch it tilted. Yes, better, better. Continue, continue. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Remember, guys, we need to master the technique first. Okay, the Mudgar weights can be increased later also, not a problem. But first, get the technique. So, once I keep repeating, do it with the lightest. Get the rotation, open up your shoulder, make your wrist joint stronger, and then you can plan for whatever weight you want to go in the future. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, relax, relax, relax. Yes, relax your wrist. Okay, relax your wrist. So this exercise is a good demand for a wrist. Okay, it will make you more stronger around that area in your forearms. If you do this practice itself for 500 plus reps, you will be more stronger in your entire arm. Okay, you'll feel more strength. Okay. Now what we'll do? Try this if it is possible first. Okay, the one very first move which I showed. Let it go. Bring it back. Then do this. Okay. Let's just do one hand for now. Right hand. That's it. Let it go. Bring it back. Go for the back. Yes. Okay. Try. Yeah. Yeah. Pranti, you got this one. Okay. Yes. Good. Hmm. Yes. Good, circle. Yes. Remember that tilt. Remember that tilt. You will get the motion. Remember that tilt. You will get the motion. And don't need to see. So what I'm doing, I'm standing straight now. Okay.
Dropping it out.
Okay. I'm again being straight. So circle. You don't need to tilt your body. Sorry. Don't need to twist your body. Okay. Be straight. Yes. Correct. Correct. Yeah. Pranti, you can continue. You are doing it proper. Yeah. Mm.
Is it right?
Yeah. Try. Yeah. Try, Sachin. Yes. 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 But I guess I don't know what weight is this.
It's three and a half, something like that.
Okay. Okay. Practice for now. Practice for now. Maybe another lighter one will help you. Okay.
Mm,
For at least these complex rotations. Okay. Or you can do it with a bottle for now. Okay. But get the technique first. Get the technique first. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Pranti, don't twist your body. Pranti, don't twist your body. Be straight. Okay, be straight. We need to make sure that our shoulder takes the weight of the mudra and takes it back. Okay, we need to make our shoulder flexible. Hmm. Nah, 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 nah. You're doing it front and back. Pranati, you're doing it. You are doing this. I'm not saying to do this. You're not doing this. I'm standing straight. I'm letting it go here on the right. Okay, I'm letting it go. I'm bringing it back. Again, I'm throwing it towards the right. Okay, and I'm bringing it like this. Okay, so if you see me from side angle, it's like this. I'm throwing it out. It's very close to my body. Again, I'm throwing it to the right and bringing it back like this. Okay, I'm not twisting and I'm not throwing it front and back. Okay, it's side to side. Okay, it's side to side. Yeah. Okay, I'll show again. I'll show again. See, I threw, brought it back. I'm again throwing it towards the right, bring it like this. Okay, so if you see me from side angle, it will be like this. Okay, it's passing from the back of my head. Okay, from the back of my head, like this. Okay, yeah, try. If you have a mirror, you can practice this later also. Make sure it crosses the back of your head. It shouldn't. We are not doing this. Okay, we are not doing this. This is a different move. We are not doing this. Okay, try. Hmm. Yes. Okay. Good, Sachin. Yes, Sachin, you're getting the rotation. Yes, at least you're getting the rotation in this way. Yeah, very good, Sarita. Yes, you're getting it. Hmm. Okay, now switch to the left. Now everyone switch to the left. Only left. Okay, only left. We'll do the same thing. Throw it towards the left, bring it back, twist. Okay, sorry, rotate. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, do till 12. Do till 12. Let me see. Let me see. Do till 12. Left hand only. Okay, we are only doing left hand. Okay, good, Sardaji. Yes, you got the other hand also. Yes, very good. Yes. Pranati, again your video is stuck. I don't know why. Yes. Pranati, we are only doing left. We are only doing left. Okay. Come back to right. Okay, come back to right. 12 reps. Only from right. Only from right. Let it go. Bring it back. Rotate. 2, 3, 4. Only right. We are doing only right now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now going to the left. Going to the left. 12 reps. Only left. Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Yeah. Complete your left hand 12. Complete your left hand 12. Yes, everyone. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. Perfect. Keep the mudra down. Keep the mudra down. Okay. Right leg forward. Mata, Mata, Guru, Devam, Bhur, Bhur, Swa. Okay. Keep the mudra on the side. Okay. So today's class was more focused on the technique. Okay. We were focusing on the technique. So you won't feel similar to what you used to feel in the other classes. But as we keep progressing, we need to make sure that our technique is also right. Okay. And that will only happen with more reps and lighter weights. Okay. Come down. Come on the mat. Yeah. Come on the mat. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pranati, I'm doing this. I'm touching my elbow. I'm touching my elbow. Yeah. Yes. And especially for this class, guys, please make sure you're eating your proteins. Okay, you need to eat more than what you were eating in the beginners. Okay, because you're gonna break down a lot in terms of muscle mass when we are doing these exercises. Even when we are doing dunks, even when we are doing these more complex moves, you're gonna break down a lot. Okay, so we need to refuel. Okay, breathe out, breathe out. Okay, now slowly go like this. Just touch your forehead. Just touch your forehead. Breathe out, touch your forehead. Breathe out, touch your forehead. Okay, now go more, twist more back. Okay, more back like this. Breathe out, twist back. So the Mudgar's goal is to gain strength and not be rigid in your body. Okay, be flexible also, be mobile also. Okay. Yeah. Now just be straight. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out, and twist. Come back in front. Breathe in, breathe out, and twist. Come back. Breathe in, out, and twist. Back. Breathe in, out, in, out, and twist. Breathe in, out, and in, breathe out, breathe in, out, and relax. Yeah. Relax. Now lie down. Now, lie down. Okay. Keep your palms facing the sky and lie down. Eyes closed. Okay. The head gone. Keep your eyes closed. We'll do deep breathing now. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Okay. Let's start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Just relax. Keep your eyes closed and continue with your normal breathing and enjoy the silence. Open and close your fingers. Open and close your fingers. Take both your palms, interlock them, take them above your head, and stretch your body in a straight line. Complete straight line. Stretch your body. Okay? As if something is pulling you from top and bottom. Stretch your body hard and slowly now get up from the left leg. Take both your palms, rest them off over the eyes. All the blessings of the practice. Okay? Thank you everyone. Let's close the class. Right leg forward. Ta, ta, two, see you tomorrow for our regular class. And if you have any questions around this class or this post, you can DM. Cool? Okay, perfect. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.